guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, it's another cook with me. I'm going to use the leftover ground beef and I'm going to make some pasta. And you guys know that I'm gonna seasoning my ground beef with, what is it called again? Chicken flavor, and with some garlic. Oh, and of course, let's see, we have our water for our pasta. It's getting there, it's getting together. So yes, this is what I have so far, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys when everything is situated. So I have my butter with the chicken bouillon with the garlic for my ground beef. This is my pasta, and I'm waiting for the beautiful water. I did add some chicken broth in the water because I like my pasta to have some taste. So yes, booyah. So I'm creating my own sauce. So when it's done, I'm gonna show you guys how it look like. But so far my pasta is all done, guys. This pasta tastes so good without the sauce. It tastes so good. I had added chicken broth with garlic in my pasta, water to boil with the pasta so it could taste good. And in here I add some water of this to put it in here to make it boil. So I mean, you know, I already have the picture of everything that I added in my food, so you guys could go ahead and try it. So yes, I'll see you guys when it's fully done. I'm about to bust down. So for the sauce, I add some roasted garlic Alfredo, and of course the ground beef is in, of course chicken broth, you know, garlic, you know, butter. So that's the sauce right here. I'm gonna wait until it boils a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my pasta to it. And so yeah, I just want to show you guys my creation of my sauce, because babies, I'm Haitian, okay? We like taste. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I'm about to eat, y'all. This is the final look. I went ahead and add some sauce to mine because, you know, I like it a little bit. So this is the final look.